Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Microsoft list by selecting a template from the available templates on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open office.com and then you should tap on this create button in the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the create section and tap on a list. After that, you should select from these templates. As you can see, you have a vast variety of options such as problem tracking or recipe tracking. So tap on the use template button and then you should type in the name of your list, then add the description, select the color and an icon, and then click on this create button down below, and here you can add new elements by tapping on this plus icon. So just type in the name of your item or element that you would like to add, and basically that's it. Here you can add as many as you want to, just hit an enter. That's how you can create a new list from the templates. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.